15, 20 miles per hour, I would say. Down the road, we're heading east on 90.
And it's windy and cloudy today. But look at them white beaches. Isn't that awesome? We've been here before because I did a video where we ate at White Cap Seafood Restaurant.
There was some houses here, but looked like they got washed away. Rebuilt a few of them. That was a couple of years ago we were here.
Bad storm.
Them hurricanes. A lot of vacant lots now. Wow.
I love how the beach has parking right there and white sands, and you can just walk from your car down to the beach. Awesome. I love it. And really, I'm surprised that it's not filled up with spring breakers, because this is spring break.
Well, this weekend's Easter.
True.
So maybe there'll be a lot more people. Well, the weather's, but they say it's supposed to be fantastic here this weekend, so I imagine people are making their plans. We're already here, so we're good to go.
Why are we here, Mr. Childers?
In Gulfport, Mississippi?
Yeah, buddy.
It's as far as the Ford would take us. I barely got off the interstate and got down here, and we got us a campsite at the
Shields.
Shields RV Park.
It's military base.
It's on the CB Battalion base.
Right.
The CBs are there. So we're sharing a camp spot with a bunch of them.
Yep.
Nice campground on base, though.
It is.
Yeah, real nice. Price was okay.
Yeah.
Full hookup and everything. And the truck's in the shop. So we don't know. It ran fine this morning. It seemed like it wanted to do its thing, but then it got to where it didn't want to get me down the road. It didn't want to pull the trailer. And I don't know what to do other than put it in the shop and have them take a look at it. This morning yesterday I drove it. It was Sunday yesterday. I drove it around the base. It didn't want to run at all. This morning I cranked it up. It warmed up. It seemed like it was all right. Took it to the shop and told them I don't have an engine light today. It's something intermittent. With all the work we've had done on it. Coming across, came right across Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, no problems. But I got to Louisiana and I hit the rough roads, and it seemed to move something around or shake something, or I don't know, because it was rough. But
even shook the plug out of the wall for the dryer
on the trailer.
Yeah, that's pretty. That's wow.
Yes. But anyway, we're doing what we can do. Just keep y'all informed. We'll just, we're going to enjoy the little vacation here.
Yep.
Gonna find us a seafood place later.
Look at there. We even have a trolley in front of us.
So they get to walk back. Got washed away. They build it back. Then a couple years later, another storm comes and wash it all away again.
It looks like it's raining in front of us.
Could be. They say some spotty showers today.
Spotty showers. That's just the way it is on the East Coast and the South.
Oh, and this part of the country. Oh, yeah.
Man.
Yeah, the wind blows and stirs it all up. Stirs up the atmosphere, unsettled atmosphere. That's the way it is.
The ocean's choppy today. Well, the Gulf is choppy today.
All the wind.
Took that pier completely out. Wow. Wow. Wonder why they have this fence up here. Huh?
I don't know.
I love all the big trees along the ocean front here. Awesome. Big oaks. Fantastic. I'm gonna try Raising Cane's chicken fingers today. We've never been here. This is Gulfport, Mississippi. So we shall see. I got a 4-star here, as far as what it says online. So we're gonna check it out. Look, it's right on the Gulf. Isn't that amazing? right on the Gulf.
Yeah, we're right here.
Wow.
Pretty cool. Try some.
I already like it because of the place where it's at.
We have a nice view for lunch.
Yeah, sure.
We'll try it out.
All right. We kind of like the decor, and I like my company.
Yeah. Hey. Really nice.
Yep, got old Willie on the wall. Got Elvis over yonder. It's a pretty clean restaurant. It's just a little fast food place, but they make the chicken to order so that you get everything hot, supposedly. So we shall see. But there we have it. Nice view of the Gulf. Oh my, it looks pretty darn good.
You got both of us the same thing?
I did indeed.
Coleslaw. Oh man, it's cool. Smells pretty good. I always smell it before I eat it.
Oh yeah.
Anything that smells weird, I don't eat it.
What do you think so far?
Pretty good. Everything's hot.
Cool. The door is right behind us, people. Sorry for the noise. Did you try your chicken?
Good.
Sweet.
Tender. Very tender.
Oh yes. Nice. Everything was hot.
Oh.
Love it. On the menu, they have 4 major plates that you can get. So it makes it quick, easy for them, and easy for you. Love it. That was a nice little quick bite.
Yeah. You got plenty of chicken finger things.
Mm-hmm. Get 4 of them.
Get 4 of them. Remember, good. Yeah.
And they were very tender and juicy. Oh my gosh, they were so good.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yep.
And the view, you cannot beat the view.
Yeah, it was pretty good today.
Love it. Except for it's super windy. Gosh. We just can't get out of this wind. Not only did the trailer get new shoes, but so did Mr. Childers.
Hey, new shoes. I wore the other ones out. We live to spend and we spend to live. It works. Can't take it with you.
That's right.
Plus, I always get paid anyway, so I'm retired, so it don't matter. It's always a check in the mail.
Sweet.
I love it. Power pose. Got my hands turned around.
So that's a power pose.
Yeah. Taking it all in.
Sand build up on 90.
From the wind last night.
Holy mackerel. Wow. Wow. It stopped traffic. That's amazing.